Can smart film be used outdoors? While our smart film is scratch-resistant and durable, we don't recommend installing it outdoors. This is because installing smart film on exterior-facing glass leaves it exposed to the elements such as sunlight and water, which can damage the film and shorten its lifespan. For exterior applications, we recommend using our smart glass product. Our switchable smart glass works the same way as smart film, going from clear to frosted when powered on and off. The difference is that the switchable layer is protected by two pieces of laminated and tempered glass. Get in touch with us today, and one of our knowledgeable product advisors will be happy to advise you on the best solution for your needs. Check the video description for additional videos to enhance your understanding of smart glass and film.